Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to turn on the option to review posts you're tagged in before they appear on your Facebook profile, using the latest update on PC. If you've ever been tagged in a post you didn't want showing up on your timeline, this setting gives a full control. Once it's enabled, nothing appears on your profile unless you approve it first. Let's get started. First, open Facebook on your PC and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand more options. Then click on Settings to open the full settings page. Now, inside the Settings menu, look for the section related to your profile and visibility controls. Here, you want to find and click on Page and Tagging. This is where Facebook manages everything related to tags and how they appear on your profile. Once you're inside the Page and Tagging section, scroll down until you find the option that says Review Posts that you're tagged in before the post appears on your page. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. If it's turned off, click on it to enable the feature. Once it's switched on, you're all set. From now on, whenever someone tags you in a post, it won't automatically show up on your profile. Instead, you'll get a notification allowing you to review it first. You can then decide whether to approve it or ignore it. This is a great way to keep your profile clean and make sure only the content you're comfortable with is visible to others.